How's it going today, everybody, and welcome back to Shaner's Mechanic Life. Do you have a Chevy or GMC product and want to do everything you can to protect yourself and your family from something bad happening, like a break-in or a carjacking when you're in the parking lot? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you a setting you can change without the use of a scan tool, a laptop, or any fancy equipment to help keep yourself and your family safe. What is it? Let's watch and find out. Now, pretty much every vehicle out there nowadays has a safety feature that once you get to a certain speed or put your vehicle in gear, your doors will automatically lock like that. And with this particular model, once you put it in park, the doors unlock again. In most cases, that's a great feature. One less button to press when you come to a stop. But if you're in a rough neighborhood or have someone coming up to your car, the last thing you want to do is put it in park and have the doors open for them. So I'm going to show you how to change that. Now, to change that feature on these Chevys and GMCs is actually quite easy. You just go to your infotainment center, press the home button, and you look at your screen. Look at all the icons. You want to go configuration, and you can scroll down. You want to go to vehicle settings. Press that, and you want to scroll down to power door locks. Press that, and they have a feature called auto door unlock, which basically is, as it says, it unlocks the doors automatically. You can change those settings by pressing that. Now, this one is set to once you put it in the park, all the doors will unlock. You can also set it so just the driver door unlocks or off, which means none of the doors unlock. The customer, in this case, wants none of the doors to unlock when they put it in park. So I'll press that, and then you can just press home and back out. Your settings are now changed. Now let's just verify to make sure that's worked. So you can see right now, we're on the unlock position. And when you put it in gear, you could hear the doors lock. Just like so. So now, let's try to put it back in park and we'll see if they unlock. It's in park, and the doors have stayed locked. Now, just a heads up, if you've enabled that setting, once you park and turn your vehicle off, getting out of the vehicle, there's going to be an extra step. Either you're going to have to manually unlock it, or just pull the door handle. Once we'll unlock it, second time we'll open the door. Well, that's one little tip you could do to help protect yourself and your family in rough neighborhoods and sketchy situations. After all, when you come to a stop, in my opinion, the last thing you want to do is have the doors open up. Just easy pickings for the less than desirable people. Hope you found this video helpful and informative, and I definitely hope it helps keep someone safe. Let me know what you think in the comments section. If you liked the video, hit the like button. If you want to see more like it, hit the subscribe button and notification bell in the bottom right hand corner. That way you get notified when I get new videos coming out. Well, that's it for tonight, everybody. Have a good night, and thanks for watching.